Hi, folks. Thanks for stopping by. I just wanted to go over something that I had a lot of questions about, and I thought I'd just make a quick video just to give people some insight on how it's done, and that is basically how to set up your accounts within Coinbase. Right. So at this stage, obviously you've got your account. So I'm just going to log in here. Right, so that'll be your landing page, all your information, all your transactions regarding Coinbase, etc. So, pardon me, your default payment method will already be set up. That is, if you've purchased Coinbase Bitcoins already, you will have that information set up. But the setup of the bank account seems to be a sticky point for people. So what you want to do is go to settings, profile, and you want payment methods. So as you can see here, I've set up my credit card details in there. That is just because I found it easier just to buy with a credit card, and I was in a hurry really. So having to go and set up the bank account was just gonna delay. I just wanted to jump into an investment that I was looking at. So your two payment options that's currently available is obviously either with Bitcoin, or you want to purchase Bitcoin, and also you want to purchase it with a credit card or debit card or whatever the case may be. So you've got that option, and then the other option is obviously your bank, to set up a bank account where it will allow you to have increased limits, so you can basically buy more and transfer more. Whereas currently with your credit card, when you're starting off, you'll only get about 500 quid a limit, so 500 pounds, $500, or whatever the case may be. So that will be the limit, a weekly limit that it's got on the credit cards. So in order to increase that, is basically make use of your bank account. It takes slightly longer, but not that longer with the bank transfers. But that's fairly straightforward, and it doesn't take two days, I think, maximum, if that. Right, so it's not much difference in doing the transfer from Coinbase. But one thing to bear in mind is that transfer into Coinbase. But one thing to bear in mind is the fact that the exchange is currently overloaded because everybody blockchain. Everybody wants to get on it, so it's really just there will be some delays in getting the funds over into your account. Right, so yeah, basically when you set up your bank account, add payment method. Right, so as I say, these are the options. You can do credit card, but I'm looking at the bank account at this stage. So the bank account is a European bank account, and this is what they call the SEPA payments. So that you can basically set up the payments, but that is using the European transfer method or transfer channel, if you like. Okay, so you click then bank account. So here you will specify the bank name, whatever your bank name is, the IBAN number. So the IBAN number is a mixture of the country code, the BIC code of the SWIFT code of the bank, and then also the account number, the specific account number. Now, this IBAN number is specific to your bank account. Okay, so that will go direct. So it's important that you actually get it right, and you need to call up your bank to actually get the IBAN number for your account, because it's specific to that account, right? If that makes sense. So the bank name, your bank code, the SWIFT code or BIC code is in there, and then you will basically have the details in there. So what I'll do is I'll add those details, and then I'll show you the next step, which is how to then transfer the money to actually verify your bank account. Right, so here we go. I've got all my details in there, and I will then click add. All right, So my bank account has been added now. So what I need to do now, in order to verify my bank account, I need to transfer that amount to their bank account just to make the verification, and that I can go ahead and use the bank. So yes, here are their details. So when you do the transfer out of your bank account for that €6, you will use the Swift code, bank name, so all these details. So I would then take a screen copy of this, so that when I go into my account, I've got the correct details. So there's the IBAN number, as you can tell, which is a combination of the country, also the account number, sort code, etc. A recipient name, floor. I mean, now this is very key here. This code here, or reference, is what you need to put exactly into your reference number when you do that transfer, right? Because that basically links your Coinbase account to your account, on Coinbase, so that when you do the transfer, it comes in directly in here. They can actually match the two. That's a unique reference number for your account. Okay, so it's important that you get those digits right. As I said, instead of trying to type it, just copy it from there straight away and paste it into your reference in your bank transaction, so that you've got the correct details, and to just avoid any mistakes that could, slip in by getting a digit wrong, getting a character wrong in there. Or you can also, that's all uppercase, so you need to have it exactly as that in order for it to work. So once you have all of those details in, you will then do the transfer into their account, so that you basically, that €6 or whatever you want to transfer, needs to be at least €6, as they say there, so that they will then verify, and your bank account will be approved, so that you can do then transactions via your bank account, instead of your credit card, should you so prefer. So here we'll say your account will be verified in 1 to 2 business days after you send the funds. So it doesn't take that long really. So you transfer the cash in there, verify it, and your bank account will be, you'll be able to use it, which as I said, which will give you the flexibility to actually increase the amount you want to transfer into your Coinbase account, or how much Bitcoin you would like to purchase. So it just makes things a bit easier. So if you want to deposit a lump sum or invest a lump sum in any other program, then you've got the option to just do a lump sum and bring it in, and then just deposit that funds into your Coinbase account using a bank transfer. Right, so really a quick video just to give some people in. As I said, I've had a few questions on that, and I thought I'd make a quick video which will just make it easier for people to sign on and to set up the bank account. Right, if there's any other question, please give me a comment below. I'll be happy to answer. And as always, please subscribe, like, comment, and let me know if there's any other videos or information that you would like, and I'll be happy to put a video together for you to actually understand, help you through the whole process. Thanks again for stopping by, and as always, please like, subscribe, and comment on my videos. Thanks guys, appreciate your time, and have a lovely day, and I wish you all the success. Cheers.